Welcome to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add exponents in Microsoft Word. Let's get into it. Okay, to do this, it is very simple. This will only be a quick tutorial. What you want to do is go to the Home tab, make sure that that is selected, and go to the Superscript button. And if you hover over it, it's going to tell you the shortcut for this. So on Windows, it is Control-Shift+, and on Mac, it is Command-Shift+. It's going to tell you what it is. It's going to type very small letters just above the line of the text. And you can also type in Subscript by pressing in Control equals, but we want exponents. So I'm going to click this, and that is going to allow us to type in the exponents. So you don't just have to type in numbers, you can type in script as well. And if you want to stop typing in the exponent, you just have to click the button again, and that will allow you to type as normal. This is going to allow you to change the font size and all that as well, and it's going to stay part of the text. You can also bolden it, underline it, and italicize it as well, and it's going to stay the exact same. And if you select the text and press the button, or if you press the shortcut, which is Control-Shift+, that's going to create an exponent. So that's basically it for this tutorial. If it did help, please hit that like button. And if you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button as well. Leave in the comments if you had any problems with this, and I'll do my best to help out. That is it from me. Peace.